Aren't you astronauts?
Yes, ma'am. We like to compare notes with Stevie on the new space station.
Hi! We're the Pointer Sisters. We need Stevie's help with our new albums.
The Amiga computer. What can it do? Well, what do you want it to do?
I need some more help.
Mr. O'Neill! Upstairs first door on the left.
Amiga from Commodore, the computer for the creative mind. And with only a limited number of Amigas available this Christmas, you might find it'll take some creativity to find an Amiga dealer. So call 1-800-343-3000. We'll point you to the computer dealer nearest you. One who, besides being perfectly willing to sell you an Amiga, will also be perfectly willing to show you, as we've done for the last 50 seconds, what you and the Amiga are capable of creating.